Hey guys, welcome to WeBe Autos. Today we got a 1970 Chevelle SS. It's a frame-off restoration. Over $50,000 was spent on the build on this car, and no expense spared whatsoever. It currently has a 454 in it. The car is extremely fast and just gorgeous. It's a little dusty, that's about it. Just fantastic. Interior is beautiful. You can see carpets and everything are just fantastic. Showing 3,200 miles on the odometer. If I were to guess, that's probably the miles since the restoration. We'll check out the trunk right now. Man, it sounds so good.
Bonus chance to win a keyword weekend. I will tell you though, your next shot at tickets is at 1:21.
Just absolutely
so that is
fantastic.
Just minutes away, so you can't go anywhere.
Well, thanks for checking us out today. Again, my name is Mike Runnalls from WeBe Autos. You can check out more pictures, details, and information on our website. It's WeBeAutos.com. And give us a call at 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot.